In this tutorial, I will let you know how to import your policy to Kommerce web application. So first of all, go to Import Policy, click on Choose File, and click your file that you exported from the Credentials app, which will be labeled as, by default, Automation Data. Once it's imported, just press on View, and you can view the details you added in your Credential app policy, like carrier service, all these carrier service you added, UPS, USPS, or FedEx. Next one is online stores that you added, My Shop, or print shipping labels like WooCommerce or more. Next one is if you check your order mapping, this is where your order mapping will be, like A for reference number, B for date, C for name, and so on. And this is your payment method that you added. This is your type card. So as you can see, this is not PayPal or ACH. This is your personal credit card. This is just for viewing, and it is for read only. You can't change that from here. If you want to change it, you have to create another policy from Credentials app. There we go. All of the data has been added, and now you can add your device, your anywhere device, and manage your policy. If any store order comes in from your stores, you can manage that from your auto rooms. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.